Hello everyone, this is Reshma here, and in today's episode I'm going to discuss about a 50 by 60 site project facing towards the east direction which we have developed for one of the projects in Bangalore. The design concept evolved by keeping in mind the lifestyle and the requirements of the client with the sense of transparency and the idea of bringing the outside in, where the client wanted to have a minimalist approach towards it, yet elegant, simple and modern look. The entire floor plan is designed keeping in mind the basic principles of Vastu. So, as soon as you enter from the main gate, you have a greenery space which is provided for gardening, and where the client also wanted to have a car parking space and also parking space for the two wheeler. The pavements which you can see here in the northeast side of the plot, it leads towards the swimming pool side. So, as we enter the house, the main door facing towards the east, which you can see here, we have a foyer space which is like a small welcoming space for the guests where you can also keep your shoes and all. And as we move forward, we reach to the partly double height living room of 20 feet by 20 feet, where the client wanted it to be more spacious and which has large windows providing immense amounts of lights and also brightening the whole space. Here you can see the swimming pool and it can be easily accessed from the living room too. Moving towards the other side of the floor plan, we have this kitchen here which is 12 feet by 13 feet in the southeast part of the house, and which is considered the ideal location according to the Vastu, which also has this countertop here. Next, so just adjacent to this kitchen is the double height dining space which is 11 feet by 16 feet and is provided it at such location where you can actually serve your food directly and easily from the kitchen, and also you can have the view outside towards this greenery space and enjoy the view at the same time. So moving towards this powder room here, which is 5 feet 11 inch by 3 feet 3 inch, is provided just near to the dining space and also can be accessed from the living room. Towards this northwest part of the house is this master bedroom for the client with a view towards the pool side and also can be easily accessed from the room. This master bedroom also has this walk-in wardrobe here which you can see, and a bathroom with 7 feet 10 inch by 5 feet 11 inch. As we go higher floor, you'll reach this family living area which is 16 feet by 20 feet, and you'll be able to see the double height maintaining the visual connection outside blended with the light from the double heights. Moving ahead, there are two bedrooms which is located on the either side of this family living space, which is dedicated one for the children bedroom and the other for the guests. So first of all, moving towards this bedroom one, which is 20 feet by 10 feet, it has this balcony in the front side where it overlooks towards this garden and the greenery spaces, and it also has this walk-in wardrobe which is 12 feet 6 inch by 7 feet, and an attached bathroom which is 12 feet 6 inch by 5 feet 9 inch. Moving towards the other side of the floor plan, we have the storage space where the client wanted to give a storage space where they can keep all their luggages and other stuffs. So moving ahead towards this bedroom too, which is 15 feet 5 inch by 13 feet, which also has this balcony which overlooks towards the swimming pool, and then and this walk-in wardrobe here which you can see, which is 16 feet 3 inch by 7 feet 10 inch, and an attached bathroom which is 5 feet 11 inch by 7 feet 10 inch. So this was for today's episode, and stay tuned for the next one where we'll be sharing our 3D views for this floor plan.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and share our video, and please do consider hitting the subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you.